In this video of today, I will walk you through on how to access connectivity on iPhone that runs iOS 18 operating system. All right, iOS 18. Because iOS 18 comes with some changes that we are not in iOS 17. So from there, you can turn on your Wi-Fi, you can turn on the hotspot, you can turn on the Bluetooth, and even your mobile data. So without taking much time, let's get into it, okay? First, swipe down from the top right of the phone, okay? Then once you're here, this is the control area. You will see in first category, there's first group here, which is made up of flight mode, then airdrop, then we have this Wi-Fi symbol, and there is another group here that contains four icons. So tap on that. All right, so you can see now this displays this connectivity section in full. Cellular data is turned on here, so let me just turn it off. All right, this is how it would look like by default. Okay, then you have airplane mode, which you see in the first group. Okay, then airdrop, that's not what you're interested in here. We have Wi-Fi. If you want to connect to Wi-Fi, all you need is just to tap this on. Okay, once you tap on it, it will change to blue. Okay, so it will search and then connect. All right, then I'll tap on it for it to turn off. Then cellular data, if it's not turned on, it will be showing this white color. So when you tap on it and it's turned on, then it changes to green. You have Bluetooth. If you want to connect through Bluetooth, any device through Bluetooth, you can tap on the Bluetooth here and it's turned on in this iOS 18. Then one important section here I want to point out at is the personal hotspot. Before, once you tap on personal hotspot and it's turned on, it will show green. But now it will not show green until you try connecting it to the computer or another device. So let's do it practically. First is tap on it. All right, it still shows white color, but now the text there has changed to discoverable. That's how you know that it's enabled. So now get to the PC or a phone that you want to connect it to and then enable that. All right, and get it connected. So here I'll be using my Windows 11 PC. So on my Windows 11, I'll click on this area. Then once I click on this area, I'll click on this Wi-Fi, manage Wi-Fi connections. Then it will dictate my iPhone. I'll click on it and then connect. If you are doing this for the first time, it will request for the password, all right, of the iPhone. But here I've done it before, so it's connected here. Now look at this. Now immediately it's connected, the color has changed to green, the color of the personal hotspot. So this is how you can connect hotspot in iOS 18. Okay, it is that simple. So if you want to access connectivity, you just follow these simple steps. Thank you. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we discuss a lot on technology, which cuts across how to use iPhone, Android, computers, and so many other things. So please do subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Is it helpful or you need something extra? Just leave a comment, okay? I hit that like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. Okay? Please do that before leaving. In case you have not upgraded your iPhone to iOS 18, please watch this video here to learn how you can do that in easy steps. Thank you and see you some other time.